Then next we have to study is about other long-term liabilities. Next heading, other long-term liabilities. Other long-term liabilities may generally be of two types. One is a trade payable. Trade payable have been defined in the Schedule 3 of Companies Act 2003 as a trade payable are the amounts payable for goods purchased and services taken in the normal course of business. Like trade payable means that's like the goods and services we are purchasing. Like if we purchase some goods or if we are a wholesaler, we are purchasing goods from the company and we are going to sell it. Okay, so that money which we are about to pay, that is called as trade payable. Okay. And other payable, such as those payable that are incurred not as a result of the business which is concerned carries on and are payable only after more than 12 months. For example, payable incurred on purchase of fixed assets and interest thereupon, provident fund contribution, etc. So, like other payables means that trade payable means that for doing business like goods and services which we are purchasing, and for that we are supposed to pay. This other payable means that if we are purchasing some current asset we have purchased and the money we have to pay, and that money may be after 12 months. Okay, so we have taken like 2 years, or after 2 years only we have to pay. So 2 years of time we have received. So such kind of money is there, that is called as other payables. Okay. So next one is long-term provisions. If there are any long-term provisions, all provisions which the related claims are expected to be settled beyond 12 months after the reporting date are classified as non-current provisions. So long-term provisions means that if the money which we are supposed to pay after 12 months time. Okay, so those are called long-term provisions. Okay. The next topic that we have to study is about the current liabilities. Current liabilities are those debts or obligations that are due to the creditors and suppliers and must be settled within 12 months. So the current liabilities means that whichever money we have to pay within 12 months time. Okay, within 1 year time we have to pay this money. So that is called current liabilities. And there are 4 types of current liabilities are there: short-term borrowings, trade payable, other current liabilities, and short-term provisions. So first one is short-term borrowings. Short-term borrowings refer to the liability or debt obligation with a short duration of 1 year or less than 1 year. So this one, as we have already studied, this is means just opposite of the long-term borrowings. Short-term borrowings means that long-term borrowings means that more than 1 year time. This one means that less than 1 year time. Within 1 year we have to pay. We have taken loan or debentures or any type of things, and we have to pay back within 1 year time. So that is called as short-term borrowings. So there are loans repayable on demand from banks or other parties, bank overdraft, loans from other parties payable within 12 months, or deposits, other loans and advances. All these things are coming in the short-term borrowings. The next one, trade payables. As the trade payables shall include the amount due on account of goods purchased or services received in the normal course of business, which must be settled within 12 months or within the period of operating cycle. So trade payables means that the bills receivable. So the money that we have to pay, like the goods we have purchased, and we have to pay the money for that. So that money we have to pay within 1 year time. Okay, so those things are coming in the category of trade payables. Okay, so the trade payables will be like it is only for the goods and services that we have purchased. If any assets are purchased and money has to be paid, that will not come in this category. Only for goods and services which we have purchased and for reselling, and after reselling we will be paying the money back. So those the things are coming in the category of trade payables. Then other current liabilities. So these 2 categories are there. Other than that, any other ones are there. So that will come in the other current liabilities. Refers to that dues that do not fall under any of the above categories, like current materials of long-term debt, current maturities of long-term debt, current maturities of finance, lease obligations. So there are so many things like that are given there. Whichever are not coming in these two category are coming in the category of other current liabilities. Then next one is about the short-term provisions. All provisions for which the related claim is expected to be settled within 12 months of the date of a balance sheet or within the operating cycle. So short-term provisions means that any provisions whichever we have made which is to be paid within 12 months time, 1 year time, less than 1 year time. If like we have made a provision like see like some donations and all are there, some charity fund and all is there. So that we are planning within 1 year time we are making and the payment will be paid within 1 year time. Okay. So there are some examples given there like provision for employees benefit, provision for expenses, telephone, electricity bill, like any electricity bill and all these things every month we have to pay. So for 1 year we will calculate this much money will be there total and that will be settled as provisions or provision for taxes and other provisions. So these are the short-term provisions that we have to make. Okay. So this much is about the liability side. So from the liability portions, this many points are there that we have to study. The next we have to study is about the asset side of the balance sheet. There are mainly two types of assets, non-current assets and current assets. Okay.